Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply find purchase history in Steam. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to help.steampowered.com, and when you're here, what you want to do is just go to my account, and then in my account you want to click on data related to your Steam account. Again, site called help.steampowered.com. My account, data, in the scroll down, and then you're gonna see it here, purchase history. Open it. And when you're gonna open it, you're gonna see it right here. And you can see all the, like up to 2000 and look at this, 2011. Oh my God, look at this. It's 2020. I have this account for more than 9 years, by the way, guys. More than 9 years. I bought in 2013 I bought Counter-Strike Global Offensive. Then for 2 years I was Global Elite in CSGO. I was so good at the game. Oh my God, guys, you can imagine right now I can be like Eagle because I didn't play for ages. But if I would play again Global Offensive, I would be like top-notch position. So that's pretty much it. Thank you everybody. I hope you're going to have a great day. And if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. And goodbye.